Now I'm going to show how to use PSPP to do an ANOVA, one-way ANOVA analysis of variance. When you have two groups to compare, you use a t-test. But when you have more than two groups, like three groups, you don't use a t-test. You have to use an analysis of variance. ANOVA, or analysis variance, will tell you, do you have any differences among three groups, anywhere among the three groups? I'm going to use this example from the handout, that is the exercise and cholesterol levels. We have three groups of subjects. Group one, these are the frequent exercisers, and group two, see, let me number the groups. Group one, frequent exercisers. How many people do I have in this group? 5 people. Each of them, you measure their cholesterol level. Group two, occasional exercisers. Group three, they never exercise. Okay. Altogether, we have 15 people divided in 3 groups. Each group have 5 subjects, and you measure each person's cholesterol level. So group one, well, frequent exercisers, the mean is 4. On average, the cholesterol level is 4. The occasional exercisers, the mean is 5, a little bit higher. Those people who, oh, this is going to be a group 3, number 3, number 2, 3. These people never exercise. Their cholesterol level is 8. Are there differences among the 3 groups? I'm not comparing 2 groups at a time. I am comparing all 3 groups at the same time. This information comes from ANOVA, or analysis of variance. Let's put the data together. So input the data. I'm going to save this file to somewhere. Let's see here. Where do I? Let's save it downloads. And this is fair data. I'm really not used to this PSPP. Let's get a new data file. So we have 2 variables. The first variable is exercise. Group, we don't need any decimals. So exercise, oh no, here, label, and then labels, yeah. So group 1 is frequent. Ooh, occasional. How do I spell occasional? S-I-O-N. Whatever. 3, never exercise. Okay, 3 groups. And then another variable, a second variable would be cholesterol. So I spell cholesterol. I'm just going to copy this guy. So call it CHO what? CHOL. CHOL. Let's CHOL, cholesterol level. Okay. Okay, 3 groups, cholesterol level. Group 1. No. All right. Compare means. Compare means we want to do a one-way ANOVA. So dependent variable, cholesterol level, exercise group, that's a factor. The factor is independent variable. I want a descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. Let's check the means. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. Good. We didn't make any mistakes in entering the data. All the data are correctly entered. Let's double check. And then, so here you have 2 degrees freedom. One is between group degrees freedom. That's 2. So this is based on 3 minus 1. 3 groups minus 1, that's 2. And within group DF, for each group, you have degrees freedom. For each group, you have 5 people. For each group, you have a 5 minus 1, that's 4 degrees freedom. And then between the 3 groups, you have a total of 12 degrees of freedom. And the F value is 4.06, significant level, smaller than 0.05. Yeah, it's just barely significant, but it is significant, smaller than 0.05. Do I stop?